May you be present, Guillermo Atencio Rodríguez. Hi, works. Hello, my name is Guillermo Atencio Rodríguez. I work in Chia Company dentro Pay Services Afinia. Mi responsibility. I work in the energy rules. I follow system. I work gas shift. I deprivate good shift. My skill. I am responsible. I am punctual. I am hardworking. My floating new thing. My future goof. I want constitute study. I want to become a profession in energy elements. I want possibilities skill growth in config. Thank you.